In this video, we are going to show how to log in to a new Flickr account, upload photos, and create an album. So on Flickr.com, you can see Flickr.com at the top of the page. We click Login. And I'm going to choose a Yahoo account that I really don't use very often. But this is just a demonstration video. Using Yahoo email accounts for Flickr, I find, is more convenient. Other accounts can be used, but they have to be set up ahead. Now we are into a new Flickr account. This page and some other pages will look completely different because right now there are no photos in the account, and so Flickr is trying to do the best thing is to show us what's going on. But what we want to do is we want to try to upload photos. So the first thing, just ignore a lot of these images on the screen. We want to upload. We are logged in. You want to prove that we are logged in, and there is my Yahoo account. We want to upload some photos. And after clicking the upload button, we want to choose photos to upload. We're not going to upload videos to Flickr. And I have some sample videos, or sample photos, I'm sorry. We're going to upload. And these are some photos of Brazil that I took some time ago. One of the nice things you can do with a Windows computer, if you press the Control key, you can select the photos you want. So we're just going to click 4 or so to upload. Now in this display screen, it actually shows you the size, or the size of the file, 10 meg, 19 meg. 19 meg is a little high. I typically try to keep the photos under 10 meg, just for the convenience of the upload, because the larger the file sizes, the slower the upload goes, depending on your internet connection. I have a fairly fast internet connection. As you can see, Flickr is going through. Sometimes it doesn't like a photo for some reason. If it doesn't like it, it will say retry. So just click retry. I have found that if you upload them again, they will typically go. So in the upper right hand corner it says upload for photos. We're going to click upload, and as you can see, it's already starting that process in the background. Now we are in what is called the photo stream, which is just a collection of the photos we have uploaded. Once you have tens, hundreds, maybe even thousands of photos, this view is not really the best. What we're going to do now is organize and try to create an album. Really, the process is we're uploading photos and we're creating an album. Okay? So we have albums and collections. And we want to create our first album. Our first album. See, we're on the album screen, and note that the first photo that goes up is the cover of the album. But as long as you get the photo in the space, the working space, it will go. We will just call this one Brazil 1 because we're going to create another album. We save that, and that is in our system. You notice on the side it says create a new album. But remember, we have to upload first. So go back to the photo stream, which is kind of the opening page. Click the upload button where the cloud is. Let's select some more photos. Don't really think I have anything but Brazil, but we'll just take a few and make a second Brazil album. We can click this upload photos at any time. I recommend keeping the number of photos to no more than 20. Above 20, you kind of lose how many you have uploaded, and that photo stream gets kind of crowded with new photos. You can see we have some new ones here, but again, this display system is not the best to show the public. So we want to organize these. We want to add to an album or an existing album. I think there have been some suggestions or questions about adding to existing albums. So we have one album, and we want to open that album. Let's just add this photo to that album. Let's see, what are the new ones that just came up? This is a new one. Let's try this. This is actually the cover photo. And let's try to add it again. It won't take it. But we'll take this one. So we've added another photo. You just bring up the album and save. Now we want to create a new album. It says create new album or collection. A new album, we'll call this Brazil 2. And now we're going to try to see what photos are not in. I kind of like that picture. It's a little island out in the ocean. I don't know what others are not in here. And we click save. We go back to our photo stream, back to albums. We want to view our collections. Well, we don't have a collection. Now, I know there's another video about collections, but let's just see what we can do about a collection. So we'll click the word that says new collection. And this screen you will be using over and over again because it allows you to create albums from your photo stream at the bottom as well as collections, both of which you will be building. So let's just build a collection. Let's just call that South America. And you can add more of a description. I'm going to create that, and all we have to do is take that album and place it in South America. We could change the order if we wanted to. Very simple. We create a mosaic, and the system will automatically create a mosaic of photos for that collection. One of the things that we haven't mentioned is on the photos, let's just open a photo that you can actually change the title of the photo. I can just delete it since this is highlighted, and I can just maybe call that Rio 1. If you have more information you want to put on the photo, you can add that here. I think it was 1995, and just click Save. And you can, of course, change the wording on any existing photo and any existing album. If we don't like the name on this, we can just change that and call it 1995. Everything is changeable. The collection is changeable. We can change the collection in information as well. We can change the title, and we can change the title as well. I know it's kind of boring with 1995, but we have changed that as well. This little arrow shows us the albums, and then when it's turned sideways, it shows us the information. And we can delete the collection if we wish, but none of the photos and none of the albums are disturbed. If we wanted to, we could delete that collection. Go to the photo stream. I've changed everything, and now view my collections. I have one collection. As you notice in the URL, we have collections listed. As you see that kind of unusual number there, that is a number that Flickr creates for you when you first start. But to make that a little more friendly, let's go to Settings. As you can see, the screen name is my name, so we're gonna change that a little bit. Let's just call that Travel, and that'll be the screen name. It's already taken, so let's just remember these are unique. So Travel. I don't know if this one is taken or not, but we'll find out. It's already taken. Why don't we just call it Travel Around the World? $19.95. That should take it. It's been updated. And we don't need to worry about the rest of that. Now we were going into settings to change some of the other things. We want, in this setting, it says your Flickr web address. You're really making a website, so we want to create a unique web address. We don't want to have all those letters and numbers there. So why don't we just say something like travel. And that is our, this can't be changed, but it's something that you want to think about. We'll lock it in. And if we go to albums and collections, now we can see Travel Around the World 1995 is listed there, and the URL is now Flickr/photos/travel 1995 collections. That's the highest level. So you can send that to people to view what's going on. I have another video about how to change these photos as well as the header photo. Thank you for watching.